Hey guys, Joel back with another 60-second short. This is the EC tuner, Eric Cortina. What we've got is just the internal piece and the external piece, right? This is kind of the adapter slash bloop tube, half 28. I believe he's got other sizes of threads there. So you screw this on. I'm just using a standard armorer's wrench here. And then we thread on the tuner. I'm gonna use a pen. I need a paint pen, but I've got the Sharpie. I'm just gonna put a little mark here where the 0 is. You're gonna take your 3/32 wrench, you're gonna take these all the way down until they stop against the threads, and then you're gonna go another half a turn. And now this has got some tension to it, but you can easily adjust and it'll stay where you want it to. Shoot your 2-shot groups on different targets all the way up, adjust, 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 until you're shooting those tiny groups.